Hello, Gavin Sykes, and here I have a Bang & Olufsen original BeoVision 10 or 11 or 14 stand. This is actually a 14 stand, and mounted on it I have the plate to allow a CX or C9 LG OLED screen to be mounted in a 55-inch or 65-inch. The screen is always vertical, there is no tilt adjustment, it is locked, but manual rotation is still possible to 70 degrees from the original stand. And the distance from the underside of the screen to the floor is 540 millimeters. And because there is a hole in the stand, you will always use BeoSound Stage. So now I'm going to mount the TV and then we can have a look at how it all works. So this is the rear of the CX 55-inch panel mounted to the BeoVision 14 stand, and on the rear plate we have a place to put some cable management so you can hide or control the cables on both sides. And also onto the pole we can mount a standard STB mounting system for your decoder box or maybe something like a games console or a router. So there we have the conversion stand for CX or C9 LG panel onto the Bang & Olufsen motorised floor stand for the BeoVision 10, BeoVision 11 or BeoVision 14.